Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can save a Canva design as PDF. So if you want to select the specific file type before saving a Canva design, here's how you can do that. First, just open the design that you want to save. Okay, for example, I'm going to save this design as PDF. So what you need to do, don't click on this arrow down, but click on the arrow up icon at the top right corner, this one. Click on that, and here click on download. Okay, so here there is a file type box, so just click on the drop down and you'll see lots of file types that you can choose to save the design. So for example, I'm going to just select the PDF standard because I want to email the design. Click on the PDF standard, then click on download. That's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.